Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on show your data, and as you can see right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and I've been using it for 11 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, but also on the camera, Chrome, the Play Store, and accidentally tap on it, and the others. Under it you've got also the unlocks count and the notifications count. So as you saw before, we can tap on this graph in order to check the weekly graphs, so we can check how much time we've spent on this device, for example yesterday or 2 days before. Of course you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. You can tap on particular days, and then you will be of course able to check some details which are here, because here you've got listed all of the apps which you've used and for how long. So for example today I've been using the settings for 7 minutes, so it is quite a cool option. And we can go back, and under it we've got the ways to disconnect. So you've got the dashboard or wind down. You can set particular timers in order to limit the notifications, limit the activity of apps if you need, for example, time for yourself, or you just want to reduce the time you're spending on this device. What's more, here you've got the reduce interruptions, so you can manage notifications, or you've got the do not disturb mode, so you will be transferred to the general settings which are applied on this device. You can also show icon in the app list. Of course you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher and off the same way, and you can enter the parental controls if you need. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.